You don't want to use CapCut anymore, but you're stuck. Which video editor do you choose? The industry is dominated by three giants: Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. Choosing the wrong one can cost you time, money, and a lot of creative headache. In the next 3 minutes, we're breaking down the big 3 and 3 key categories to help you pick your perfect match. First up, let's talk about your wallet. The pricing models here are wildly different. Adobe Premiere Pro runs on a subscription. For individuals, it's about $23 a month for just Premiere, or more for the full Creative Cloud suite. On the other end, you have Final Cut Pro. It's a one-time purchase of about $300 from the Mac App Store, and all future updates have historically been free. You buy it once, you own it. But the undisputed winner on price is DaVinci Resolve. The standard version is completely free, and it's not a stripped-down trial. It's a professional-grade editor that's more powerful than most paid software. If you need the absolute top-tier features, the studio version is a one-time purchase of $295. So, which one can you learn the fastest? Many beginners find Final Cut Pro the most intuitive. Its clean interface and unique magnetic timeline prevent you from leaving ugly gaps in your edit, as clips automatically snap together. If you've ever used iMovie, you'll feel right at home. Premiere Pro uses a traditional track-based timeline, which is the standard for most of the industry. It's highly customizable, but its many panels and options can feel overwhelming for a newcomer. DaVinci Resolve can look intimidating because it's actually 4 pro-level apps in one for editing, effects, color, and audio. However, its edit page is surprisingly straightforward. It has a steeper learning curve if you want to master everything, but it's an editor that can truly grow with you from beginner to pro. This is where you'll make your decision. Each editor has a superpower. Final Cut Pro's superpower is performance on Mac. It's built from the ground up for Apple hardware, making it incredibly fast and efficient. Especially with high-resolution footage, its magnetic timeline is either loved or hated, but it's designed for speed. Premiere Pro's superpower is its integration with the Adobe ecosystem. If you live in Photoshop and After Effects, the dynamic link feature is a game changer, letting you move between programs seamlessly. It's the industry standard for a reason and works on both Mac and Windows. DaVinci Resolve's superpower is that it's an all-in-one post-production suite. It has arguably the most powerful color grading tools on the planet. It's the same tools used on major Hollywood films. Plus, it has robust visual effects and audio mixing built right in, so you rarely have to leave the app. So, which one is for you? If you're a Mac user who values speed and a clean workflow, get Final Cut Pro. If you're a professional who relies on other Adobe apps or needs cross-platform collaboration, stick with Premiere Pro. And if you're on a budget, serious about color grading, or want an all-in-one tool that will grow with you, download DaVinci Resolve. There's no single best editor, only the one that's best for you.